So it's just as easy for me to make another video because I think the one that I'm looking for is inside one of my trace videos, and I'm not finding it, believe it or not, and they're my videos. So anyway, now with a Cricut, when you add a bleed, it adds color to the outside, as you know, right? Well, with Create, what you can do is, if you look here at your cut line, you can bring that in all the way around so that it doesn't have that white space. And you can bring it in as, you know, a very minute amount or a larger amount. So I'll show you here. Let me actually zoom in because I'm going to need to be zoomed in anyway. And select my image and go to Path, Offset Path. So you can have this set to 0.001 all the way up to, I'm not even sure how high it goes, but right now I have it set at 60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually duplicate this, okay? So you can see the difference when I add the offset to this one. So I'm going to go Path, Offset Path, make sure Inset Offset is checked, and I'm going to do 60, 0.060. Okay, and then I'm going to select both of these and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. And then I'm going to zoom in even closer so that you can see the cut lines. So that's how much it brought in the cut line at 60. Okay, now you can see that there's still black all the way around. It's just inset from this outer cut line, which could leave white around the outside, to this inner one. So it's basically the same thing as a bleed. It's just done in a different way.